Hi, I'm Mandy with the Lad Group, and today I'm excited to show you a home in one of Northeast Bend's most convenient and easygoing pocket neighborhoods, Choctaw Village. Let's take a look. This classic single-level home stays true to its ranch-style roots, with a layout that feels natural the moment you walk in. The main living area opens directly into a kitchen designed for daily use. Plenty of prep space, generous storage, and open to dining and lounge spaces. The private bedroom suite is tucked away from the flow, giving you a calm spot to start and end the day, complete with a full bath and a practical closet system. The secondary bedrooms are sizable, whether you need space for guests, a nursery, or an office. Back, the fenced yard offers room to unwind, gather, or play. And one of the bonuses here is the insulated, powered workshop. It has a workbench, storage, and is easily adaptable to your needs. What really rounds out this home is the location. Essentials including schools, medical services, and daily errands are close by. Downtown and the river trail are just minutes away. If you'd like to schedule a showing or learn more, I'm here to help. I look forward to seeing you.